In today's rapidly evolving manufacturing landscape, maintaining compliance with cybersecurity standards is more important than ever. For many, this means meeting the rigorous requirements of CMMC, or Cybersecurity Maturity Model Certification. But what exactly is CMMC and why is it crucial for your shop? CMMC is a unified standard for implementing cybersecurity across the defense industrial base. It's designed to protect sensitive information from cyber threats, ensuring the data stays secure within your operations. Compliance isn't just a regulatory box to check, it's a vital part of protecting your business and your customers. At FactoryWiz, we understand the challenges that come with maintaining CMMC compliance. We know that storing data off-site or in unfamiliar environments can add unnecessary complexity and risk to your operations. That's why we've designed FactoryWiz to integrate seamlessly within your existing security infrastructure. With FactoryWiz, there's no need to move your data to external servers or compromise your established security protocols. Our solutions work within your security fencing, ensuring that all your data stays exactly where you want it, safe and secure within your own network. Our goal is to make sure our products don't complicate your compliance process. We don't introduce extra hoops to jump through or additional security risks. Instead, we provide a straightforward solution that respects and works within your existing systems. Choosing FactoryWiz means choosing a partner committed to your success and security. We simplify your operations, allowing you to focus on what you do best, delivering high-quality products and services. Ready to simplify your path to CMMC compliance? Contact FactoryWiz today and see how we can help you maintain a secure, compliant, and efficient operation.